pagbalik niya, still 100%.
Well,
But of course,
that's exactly what the LaSalle fans, the USD fans hope for, and what the LaSalle fans wish won't happen
of
anymore.
course, because yung chances of Maizo getting a kill, napakataas. Now,
Gumabaw, getting ready to serve. LaSalle on top by 2. Set number 5.
the officials, of course, just checking if the players are on their correct position.
LaSalle, 2 consecutive service errors. Let's see if they can get it right this time with Gumabaw, who has committed the most service errors actually in this match. And it's still on. Hey, it was a trend already. That's why I called it. Not my fault.
But it's true, she has committed quite, well, not a few, but a lot of service errors already. So yung mga points na nakuha niya from her attacks, medyo nai-even out lang with errors.
USD playing without Maizo and Hirotsuhi. Caballejo. Maizo is actually back on the floor pala, no? Even despite the cramps.
Yep.
She's back on like what you mentioned.
A while ago naman, it was just because the libero had to replace her in the back row, pero 100% pa rin yan.
Chacruz picked up by Banatikla. USD on the attack. Caballejo over the block. Great coverage. But Maraño gets the first ball from Banatikla and sends it home. Now over-received ni Banatikla that time, as you can see. And of course, Maraño knows what to do with a free ball.
Look at how close the game is.
Over on the second ball by Dimaculangan. Picked up there by Dusaran. Underhand set, Caballejo. Blocked, but she pushes it through. 9-all. Classic battle between these two rivals in the volleyball tournament of the UAAP. Can't get any better than this.
That's right. And you know, Caballejo, again, I said this earlier, pero very instrumental in scoring these points but she commits that service error.
First service error for USD in this set. Chacruz serving. 10-9. Here's Maizo. Firing one in and couldn't handle the power and pace.
Poor defense there by Gohing. Actually, kinuha niya from the top. Look at that. It's not the norm. Usually, dapat yung tamang position and you dig the ball.
10-all. Let's see if USD can finally steal the lead here. Oh! Esperanza, what an awesome job by the rookie setter of LaSalle, tipping it over on the second ball.
Look at that, taking matters into her hands.
11 serving 10. USD has never led in set number 5. Maizo off the block. 11-all.
Now we can expect a lot more sets for Aisa Maizo, but she moves back row now. We have Gonzalez, Ortiz, and Banatikla in front. Again, Banatikla also showed very good performance in the front line.
Mercado. USD on the attack here. Banatikla off the block. Picked up by Cruz. Banatikla again. Here's Gumabaw. Ortiz in the middle. Everybody on the edge of their seats inside the arena. What a rally here in set number 5.
Mercado down the line.
What a play from Steph Mercado to put LaSalle up by 1. Dusaran replaces Maizo, whose mobility has been limited because of the cramps. We're in the home stretch, ladies and gentlemen. Ortiz.
Nobody there to pick that up. No communication there for UST.
Costly error for UST. Shaq calls a timeout. Let's listen in.
Tayo, atake tayo na maganda. Okay lang yan, okay lang. Habol tayo, dalawa lang yan, ha? Di ba tabon? Di ba tabon? Kapit na, kapit. Laro! Ayaw! Ha? Yeah. Bigay mo wag A. Nakatayo lang ako doon para agatin mo. Pag nag-big over sa likod, baka cover natin, ha? Kapit na, kapit na, kapit, kapit. Puro na, puro.
Coach Shaq giving UST, the Tigers, just a tremendous amount of slack here.
That last shot. But he's there. Actually, katinginan sila, no? Who will get the ball?
13-11. LaSalle up by 2. And the LaSalle fans being heard here. Alarca has had her fair share of service errors. Let's see if they can, well, she can keep it in. It's good.
Good reception by Caballero.
Solid hit.
Coming from a good reception, they get a good attack. Perfect execution. Great timing there for Ortiz and Di Makulangan.
Serving 13. Caballero, block.
Great block.
Over on the first ball from Gonzalez. Mercado, the tip. And LaSalle with that point is at match point 14-12 in what is technically a non-bearing game for both teams.
That's right. Pero again, like what we said earlier, itong game na to importante sa dalawang teams because what you want is to end the elimination round with a win. And potentially, these are the number 1 and number 2 teams. Kailangan makuha mo yung winning advantage talaga, no? To get the confidence over the other.
Here we go. 2 match points for LaSalle. Gumaba redeems herself out of all these service errors to finish off UST.
That's right. But not to take away anything from UST. They really gave it a good fight. But LaSalle, at this point, they have their eyes on the goal. And even in terms of execution, they managed to do it well here in the 5th set.
Take a look at the LaSalle crowd. They're jubilant. With LaSalle, the Lady Spikers carving out a 5-set win against UST. This is the most that LaSalle has been stretched. This is the most that LaSalle has been threatened in a match, in a volleyball match.
That's right. We said coming into this game, LaSalle has actually won 7 straight games and 21 straight sets. But, UST really pushed them to their limits. And, even if UST lost today's game, nothing to be ashamed of. They pushed one of the best teams to their limits. Talagang nervyos din ang LaSalle.
That's true.
Playing this 5-set match.
There's the confirmation of the LaSalle win. First time ever they played 5 sets in this entire season. And they finally pull it off. And they remain undefeated the entire elimination round when it comes to court play. What a performance by the Lady Spikers of LaSalle. They have really established their dominance in the league. And our Shakey's best player, it's Fun Family Pizza, of course, Chop Cruz.
Of course, the captain taking on the leadership role for LaSalle, scoring 17 points, 15 coming from her attack and 2 block points.
What a performance by the team captain to push LaSalle to the top and finish off with an unblemished record when it comes to court play. There is the action you will see on Wednesday, the beginning of our Final Four coverage. FEU Tamaraos taking on the UP Fighting Maroons. These are the men's 2 and 3 matchup, while at 4 o'clock we will deliver you the women's matchup, the Tigresses and the Lady Falcons, the 2 and 3 matchup, live on Studio 23, and also, of course, here at the arena in San Juan. So what a game we had. LaSalle threatened and pushed towards the edge by the defending champions, but they did not blink. They did not, they were not flustered, and they delivered a performance worthy of highlights. LaSalle winning in 5 sets over UST. Thanks to our director, Al Neri. And our producer Manu Neri for Step C, Maan Panganiban, and my partner Andrew Mulya. I'm Eric Tipan. Thanks for watching our coverage of the elimination round of the volleyball tournament of season 73 of the UAAP. We have the Final Four coming up, of course, on Studio 23, and this is another ABS-CBN Sports presentation. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.